Hello, this is Brother Andrew. I'd like to show you how to get started with the Lectora skins and layouts. Okay, so when you downloaded those templates, you got folders that look like this. So you have the graphics, the actual PNG files, you have the Lectora work files, and then you have the Photoshop files. So within the graphics, you've got gradients, you've got all sorts of different button styles, you have the layout content areas, and then you have the actual skin images. If I go into the skin images, these are different skin parts that you can mix and match. Now in the buttons area, you have all sorts of different button styles. If you go into these, you have all the different rollover states. And then here within the content area, you have different styles in there, all these different boxes that you'd mix and match to create content layouts. Okay, and then in here you have the Lectora work files. So these are the actual layout files and then the skin files. And you could open those and work from those and then mix and match those pieces. And then in here you have all the Photoshop files. So if you want to come in here to the skin images and maybe you want to take those and put a different color on them and things like that, you can do that there. Alright, so let's take a look here. So I've opened up one of the skins. You can see over here on the left all the different pieces of that skin. So I'll just briefly go over some of these different buttons and then how to apply the layouts. And then as you can see below this training video, or this tutorial video, you can see a lot of different explanations around what the different buttons do and all of that. So you've got your home button here, or what we can call your main menu. You've got the replay, so this would actually replay the slide that you're on. The glossary, the links, and the help. Those all go to pages over here. So we have placeholder pages for the glossary, links, and the help. And so you can go ahead and build your content into those and use those. Now as you're using this skin, it will actually know if you're on the first page or the last page, and will take away the next or the back button appropriately there. Alright, so with this skin, again, you can always come in here, you can right click, let's unlock that. You can move these around to where you need to, so if you need to make your course taller, maybe you want to reposition some of the buttons and things like that, you can do that. You can always come over here. Let's go into the graphics folder, grab our skin images. If you want to have a different style of play bar, just grab that and drag it right in there. Grab that again. There we go. Alright, so you can always come in here and just, maybe you want to get rid of that one and you want to take this one down here, send that to the back. And then you could come in here and actually start to go ahead and start to relayer everything and position it how you'd like to. Send that to the back also. There you go. So anyway, you can see that you can just mix and match all these different button styles, all the different skin components and pieces. Now what I also did here, let me see here, just do a little bit of that there. Let me get rid of this one. Pull this one back. Alright, well, you get the idea here. Okay. Alright, so let me open up one of the layout files. Alright, so as you go through these are just a bunch of different page layouts that you can copy and paste into your Lectora course. So I'm just going to grab a few of these, right click and hit copy. Move that out of the way. Come down here to page layouts. Right click and hit paste. Then you can see right here, it just went and pasted all those different layouts into the skin. So that's an easy way that you can just copy and paste from the layout file. And as always, you can come up here, let's just add a new page. So I have a nice blank page there. Then you can just come into here, go to your graphics folder, go to those, let's go to style 2. Actually, let's keep it in style 1 so we don't replace any of those images. You can come in here and just drag and drop, then use those to create your own content layouts. So you can just quickly grab these, put those wherever you'd like to, put some text and images on there, and then you're ready to go. Alright, so these are the Lectora layouts and the skins. Again, all the different pieces, drag and drop, mix and match all the different layouts and skins. Take those into Photoshop, change up the colors, and do all the different branding and the things that you need.